Hey guys, it is Cece. I'm CeeMyCurlz, and we are back today with a review of the Urban Hydration Honey line. Today I will be reviewing their daily moisturizer and then also their style setting cream. So first we're going to go ahead and section my hair up into fours, and we are going to stretch my hair using the daily moisturizer. It's also supposed to be a leave-in. The full title is the Urban Hydration Honey Soften Detangle in Style Daily Moisturizer. It says to have veggie glycerin, ginger, avocado oil, provitamin B5, and aloe leaf. So it claims to renew, refresh, reset, and restyle your hair. So I'm assuming you can use this throughout the week if your hair needs a little extra moisture. So I went ahead and I put it in section by section. I did find this product easy to absorb on my hair, did not sit on my hair. It was kind of sticky. I can't explain it. It had this kind of like sticky, slippery consistency to it, so it did have good slip. I will say it detangled my hair very well, but it didn't leave my hair feeling its normal moisturized. But that's not to say that it wasn't moisturizing. It just wasn't the normal feeling that I was used to my hair having, but my hair was soft. So the claims are that it defines and revitalizes curls, intensely conditions and softens hair, tames frizz, and reduces breakage. The ingredients, we have water, glycerin, PVP, which is an ingredient for hold, so it's going to help with curl definition and not frizz. And then it also has DMDM, which is a preservative. And then fragrance is the fifth ingredient. After that, we got the ginger extract, the rosemary extract. We have avocado oil, aloe leaf juice, sweet almond oil, argan oil, provitamin B5, honey, and then a few other things that I'm not going to pronounce. But overall, I'd say the ingredient list is okay. Not my preferred order. I would prefer to have the aloe leaf juice maybe instead of the water, but that's just me being picky. So I will say, like, this stuff was easy for me to work through my hair, and it did leave my hair very soft and very moisturized. So you guys can just watch me go ahead and finish braiding up my hair. What I'm gonna do is I'm stretching my hair, so I'm gonna put my hair into 8 plaits total. So we're gonna do 4 on one half of my head and 4 on the other half, and I'm gonna send it to the dryer. So yeah, you guys can just watch me do this next braid, and then we'll be back. So it is the next day, and we are gonna go ahead and go and brush out this hair. So basically, this technique's just to kind of like mimic a blow dryer, but obviously I'm not gonna get optimal stretch with this. This is just so that you don't have to start on like super shrunken hair. So like, you'll only catch me really doing this for maybe a braid out or a twist out, so that my hair isn't soaking wet when I'm styling it, so I can achieve more volume and desired length. But if I'm really trying to achieve length, I'll usually go in with my blow dryer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbraid my hair, and then I'm going to brush out that section. And that's how I get the kind of like no heat blow dried look. You're gonna see I'm gonna go in with my Tangle Teaser, and my braid, like taking it out, it felt very moisturized, like very moisturized. So you see I'm just gonna go ahead and glide my brush through, and that's the stretch. It's not a huge stretch, guys, but you'll see the stretch when I'm taking out my twist. Like, it makes a difference. And these aren't twists, these are braids. So you'll see the stretch, a slight stretch when I'm taking out my braids, and then also when I finish the twist out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish these braids, brushing through my hair, and then we'll be back for the styling. So now that my hair is completely brushed through, you're going to see that my scalp is a little dry, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some hair oil to my scalp and massage it in. I don't normally always oil my scalp, but whenever I do blow-dried styles or like some type of blowout, my scalp does tend to be a little bit more dry. So the oil helps soothe it and make sure it's not itchy. If you want to see what I use in my oil, I'm going to need a comment in the section below requesting how I make my oil. So once I've given myself a quick scalp massage, we're going to go ahead and start sectioning off my hair so I can do the style. If you see my mouth moving, my friend Kiki called me while I was doing this video, and we were talking about some stuff because we were trying to figure out things for my friend's birthday the following day. So yeah, that's what happened. If you see my mouth moving and you think I'm talking to somebody, I am. Now that I've massaged my scalp, I'm gonna go ahead and start making my sections. I'm kind of doing a side twist out. I don't really know what to call this. What I'm gonna do is put 2 flat twists on my side, and then I'm gonna twist up the rest of my hair. So it's kind of giving like my hair is all on one side of my head kind of look. I love this style. It's cute, it's flattering to my face. I get to show off my piercings with this style. So you're gonna see I'm gonna make a mini section on the side that's going to be flat twisted down. Parting my hair can be a lot of work, so just have some clips and some scrunchies nearby. So as you see, once I have that part figured out, I'm gonna clean it up a bit. And you can use a rat tail comb. I like the metal end. The metal end is a lot more precise when you're trying to have neat parts. So once I got that section done, I'm gonna go ahead and clip it so that it can be its own section. And then we're going to start in with the twisting cream. So I have all my hair into sections, and we're going to start with a little piece for my twist. I'm going to do medium to small size twist just so I can have really good definition. And I want to give this product its best advantage. I don't want to do twists that are too big. So I already have a few in, so you're going to watch me install a few more. So the ingredients on this one is water, glycerin, beeswax, PVP, and shea butter, and essential oils. Those are the first 5 ingredients. I loved this product. It had amazing hold. It also claims to define your curl pattern for a naturally curling look while adding moisture, nourishing vitamins, and oils that work to reduce dryness and frizz. And I agree, like my hair, I'm on day 4 now. My hair still feels so moisturized. I think my hair got better with time, actually. That's the fun thing about twist outs, they just get bigger, but it feels so moisturized and it looks healthy. It looks so healthy, and this stuff has amazing hold. Like, I didn't think that it was going to have this much hold, but this cream is great. So if you're not going to buy both of them, buy the cream. I don't think you really need the detangler, even though the detangler isn't trash. And if you like using products that are that are designed to work together, then buy the Detangler, but that's my opinion. So I'm gonna finish this twist, and then you guys are gonna see my final results. Hey guys, I don't know what's going on with the lighting right now. I'm sorry if I look washed out, but here is my hair. This lighting is really trash. Okay, we're just gonna have to do it here because the lighting's trash. Don't mind my closet, but now you guys can see my hair a little bit better. I liked it. I liked the twist out cream, and I guess I like, wow, I guess. But I do like the Detangler. Will I grab it again? I don't know. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I don't know if that's gonna be something I'm gonna always grab. I do want to try it on wet hair too, since, well, no, technically my hair was still wet when I applied it. So I don't know, y'all. It's just not the consistency that I'm used to. But the cream, I love. The cream, it's like this nice gel, but cream. So like, even when my twists were drying, I could see the hold, and I was like, yes, this is gonna be popping. And it's popping, y'all. My ends are terrible. What else is new? We all know I need a haircut. Okay, so we already addressed that elephant. So look at the definition. I like fluffy twist outs, so I like a little frizz to my twist outs. And this is also stretched hair, guys. So that's also where the frizz comes from. Whenever you're doing a style on stretched hair, it's gonna be fluffier. You're gonna have more frizz. You're gonna have, your hair isn't gonna have the same amount of hold as it would when you start from wet hair. But I love my hair. My hair feels good. It feels great. So I will say those products did moisturize my hair. Like, my hair feels good. I didn't even use an oil. The only time I used the oil is to take out my twist. I just, you know, I put a little barrette here. I tried to swoop, but I also did my makeup, so my makeup might have messed up my swoop. I'm working on my edges. I'm trying to get like an edge goddess. Like, I be seeing these girls on Instagram with their swoops. I'm trying to learn that. So we're going to follow my hair for probably till Sunday. Yeah, probably till Sunday. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna keep up with this for a week. I usually wash my hair on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. It's Friday today. Wash day was on Wednesday. And then it's also a stretch style. So longevity doesn't really come with stretch styles all the time. So we're gonna see like what my hair is looking like when I get home tomorrow, because I think it's a little humid today and it might be a little humid tomorrow. My hair will definitely get its test. And then I'm also seeing friends tomorrow. So yeah, the hair is gonna get a test run. We're gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna sleep on it by twisting it up with some oil. So, I will catch you guys tomorrow with this follow-up. Hopefully this hair, but like, look how good my hair looks. It looks really cute. I love this. Like, this volume's everything. Volume is huge for me, so I'm feeling it. All right, I will come back tomorrow. I hope you guys have a good day. Y'all, this is why I was ready for fall. This is third day hair, baby. Let me tell y'all the journey of this hair, too. Basically, I did not sleep and twist on Friday, so I didn't check in with you guys yesterday. We took out our hair on Friday. Today is Sunday. We took out our hair on Friday, right? I only slept in a pigtail up here and a pigtail in the back and my silk pillowcase because your girl was hung. She was hungover, okay? So I did not take care of my hair that day, and it still looked good, right? So I twisted my hair up last night, and y'all, oh my gosh, I think we found a new go-to twisting cream. I usually use the My Organics honey pomegranate twisting cream, and I love that stuff. But that stuff is really only good for my hair in the colder months because of how thick and creamy and oily and stuff, all that stuff. It only suits me in the colder months. So I've always needed something that's like gonna give me hold, give me a great curl definition. You see these curls, y'all? Like, when I was taking it out, I was like, oh my gosh, I love it.
Oh, the curls. They're so cute. Look at this. Yes. This is also why I love doing stretch styles, because like I get to really feel my volume and my length. All right. So I'm going to end this twist out urban hydration review here. Let's think of our final thoughts. Detangler. I'm gonna give the detangler, like if we're gonna do like a 1 out of 10, I'm gonna give it like a 7. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 7. It did everything that it's claimed to do. I just didn't particularly love the consistency and how it felt while applying to my hair, but it does detangle your hair. It does leave your hair soft and moisturized. That's why I'm just like, I just particularly wasn't feeling it completely because of the consistency. But I still think like it's a great detangler, especially for its price. Now I did catch these on sale, but like as I said earlier, always go to the grocery store before you go to a hair supply store. Go to the grocery store, go to Walmart and Target before you ever go beauty supply store, okay? That is the scenario you should go in, especially when you know you're shopping for like a little bit more pricey items. Urban Hydration is under $10. So like at Target, you could find each of these products for like $10.99. The twisting cream, I'm gonna give it either a 9 out of 10 just because it's my first time using it, and I don't want to say 10 out of 10 because it hasn't been a full week yet. But with how my hair is feeling and looking, I can see it being a 10 out of a 10. My hair is very moisturized, and the curls are like super defined. And I love that it was a cream gel consistency because that's honestly exactly what I wanted. So I say give them a try. I might try their shampoo and conditioner soon. We're just gonna have to pray that my budget allows me to. And yeah, I am not let down. I remember seeing everybody do reviews for these a few years ago, and I wanted to like give them a try, but I'm also that person who's like, no, I'm team IL. I'm team main choice. I don't need new people, but I do like Urban Hydration. They're pretty cool. So also let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me do a wash day with them, okay? So I will catch you guys in my next video. Remember, stay blessed. Make sure you are like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video, okay? And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.